It's early October. What you see behind me here is a familiar sight every year up here in the county. It's a Ford tractor hauling a Thomas Airvac harvester. I'm County Cowboy. This is Potato Harvest in Aroostook County.
This is how potato gets your plate.
I'm here with Billy Blackstone to give us an idea of how this potato harvest works. You've been doing this how long, Billy?
I've been farming my entire life with my family here, and on my own crop, probably 9 years.
Folks have seen the potato fields with the white blossoms. Up here we have a yearly event called the Potato Blossom Festival. Now that the tops are killed, like they are now, what's the first step to get them out of the ground?
First we have to set the windrowers in, and the windrowers, they move the potatoes, they pick them up, and they set them over so the harvester can pick them up.
And how many rows do you pick up at one time with those?
We can pick up 12.
And what does the harvester do with the potatoes it picks up?
Well, they pick them up and they sort them.
Okay, folks, as you can see, the potatoes are being picked up by the harvester. They go up into the belts. They go up through this belt here. They go at the back. With the potatoes when they come up through here.
Picking out all the rocks and all the vines, raw potatoes.
And here we have Janet and John. What are you guys doing on that side?
Picking the potatoes out of the raw.
I've been picking out raw potatoes, rocks, from the harvester, helping him. This is where the rock bin is.
Now where are those rocks going?
The rock bed, when it's full, the operator drops the rocks down to the pile on out in the field.
And then they go in a big truck. Potato house.
And now, why can't you just pick them up and send them right to the plant the way they are?
Well, first we got to sort them, make sure we get all the rocks and dirt chunks and stuff out of them.
I'm here with Dan Blackstone. He's running the controls for the harvesters. As you can see, he's even got a video monitor, so you can see parts of the harvester that ain't available to you. Now Dan, how many controls do you have running this thing? About 8 or 9? And you got video so you can...
And then we got to storm the potato houses so we can deliver them all fall or all winter long.
And one big piece I seen on that harvester was the actual air vac system. How does that work, that air vac system?
Well, the fan sucks the potatoes up and separates, it sucks the potatoes, it separates the rocks, and the rocks go into a rock box, and the potatoes go out on the boom where they're ultimately destined for the truck.
And one question I've been dying to ask is, how many times have you gotten stuck, and what's the worst you've been stuck?
Oh, I've been stuck quite a few times. Actually, one of the worst has been the back of this field where I was trying to pull someone else out, and I got stuck myself.
Well, there you have it, folks. Potato harvest time in Aroostook County. I want to thank the Blackstones, Billy and Dan, all the crew out there working hard in the field. You can't always get the greatest weather in these conditions. It is a little breezy, a little chilly, as you can tell by the dust around the machines. But I hadn't seen the video on YouTube for it, so I figured I'd do a documentary on it, my first one. Please comment, subscribe if you want. Stay tuned, I got more videos on the way. Have a good day.
Gets so hard